Welcome to our mini washing machine showdown. Today, we will be comparing two popular portable washing machines, the Miheki and the Yeltimer. Both machines are designed for convenience and efficiency, making them perfect for small spaces and travel. Let's dive into their features and see how they stack up against each other. Let's start with the capacity of these two machines. The Miheki offers a capacity of 13 liters, which is suitable for small loads like underwear and baby clothes. In contrast, the Yeltimer boasts a larger capacity of 16 liters, allowing you to wash more items at once. This could be a significant advantage if you have more laundry to do. Next, let's compare the motor power. The Miheki features a 36W motor that operates at 520 RPM, providing efficient cleaning action. On the other hand, the Yeltimer has a more powerful 60W motor that operates quietly, making it a great option for those who prefer a quieter washing experience. Both motors are designed to handle small loads effectively. Finally, let's look at the additional features. The Miheki includes a drain function that helps remove excess water after washing, which can be quite handy. Meanwhile, the Yeltimer offers a spin feature, allowing for quicker drying of your clothes. Depending on your laundry needs, these features could influence your choice. In conclusion, both the Miheki and Yeltimer portable washing machines offer unique advantages. The Miheki is great for its efficient cleaning and drain function, while the Yeltimer stands out with its larger capacity and spin feature. Consider your specific needs and preferences when making a decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.